Hey everyone, welcome back to cryptogains for another video. I literally have just re-recorded this intro because I've looked at my subscribers, and guys, I've just hit that 2k mark. Thank you all so much. It's mad to think that I've got 2,000 subscribers, and look, it might not be a lot to some people, but that's a lot for me, and I'm truly grateful. So thank you so much. I'm really happy you enjoy my content. Anyway, this is gonna sort of either blend or fade. I'm bubbling in my mouth here. Fade into the video that I was going to show you today, okay? But yeah, thanks again. Had to shout out to you before I do any more videos. And yeah, in this video I'm going to be discussing which coins maybe we should be watching in November, okay? And I'm thinking about doing this every month, sort of giving you like sort of 5 coins maybe we should watch. And again, it's not investment advice. This is just my own personal opinion on the market. So always do your own research before investing any money, okay? And yeah, I'm just basically gonna show you what I think we should be watching. It's something that I'm watching anyway, and yeah, you can decide yourself if you think it's something you should watch too. And when I say watch, I mean, you know, I'm looking at the price. It's something that I find interesting, and whether it does well or not in the future, I don't know, but this is something obviously we're going to go through and try and work out ourselves. And obviously you can drop some comments down below as well if you feel that these coins are something you should watch, or if there's any other coins you think people should be watching. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this one. Let's dive into it. So I got something in my mouth there. Let's dive into it. So the first coin that I think we should be watching is Yearn Finance. Now it's weird. It's one of those ones where a lot of people have been bitten from this, especially because so many people bought in at the high here, 30,000, and it's one of those DeFi craves. You know, I believe, me personally, I believe that even though the DeFi has come down a bit, it's gone a bit silent during the last month, I still believe that once Bitcoin goes really high and then it settles off, the altcoins are going to rise, and I believe that the DeFi coins are going to spark again. And maybe this is one to watch, because again, if you look at the supply, very low. This could, and I'm saying could, potentially hit £100,000 for one coin. Okay, so this is why I'm personally watching it. I'm not telling anyone to go out and buy these coins. I'm not saying that it's one that you have to invest in. I'm just talking about what we should be watching, you know, because there's a possibility of maybe we could invest a little something in it and it gives us a little something back, you know. So this is sort of like the first coin that I would definitely say to be watching. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on Yearn Finance as well, because it's an interesting one really. So let's move on to the second one. It's weird because obviously I've not done a video like this, and I'm trying to work out whether it's a good idea to do it like this or not. And I don't know, if you like this, then obviously I can do more videos like this. Ethereum is definitely on my radar, and I haven't got any Ethereum yet. As you know, some of you have seen my portfolio video. I haven't invested into any, wherever the portfolio is. It's somewhere buried alive. But I haven't invested into it, but I'm definitely watching this coin because I'm hoping for it to come low. Now look, Bitcoin has obviously done really well over the last 3-4 weeks. It's shot up so high in price. Let me just quickly get up Coin Codex, because I know it's gonna, because my coin market cap is set up for British pounds, and I want to show you in dollars. So you know, it's almost that $16,000 coin. It was only 3 weeks ago. It was at like 10,000 or something like that. If I'm wrong, correct me, you know, drop some comments. But yeah, when I look at the price of how high these coins are going, and Bitcoin is going up to 15 to 16,000, I believe there's going to be a big correction coming, and a lot of people, analysts, believe that there will be a correction too. So you know, if Bitcoin's going to come down, it's very likely that these other coins can come down as well. So it's just about finding a price that you feel comfortable to invest in. What's really annoying is I've seen this at £60 before. Maybe what is that, $110 and or $100? That was back in bloody 2018 or 2019, and I just didn't buy. And if I did buy, I was using the Ethereum to buy other coins, and I do just wish I had held on a bit. Obviously the staking side's going to be coming soon. I think once it hits a certain threshold, then the staking begins. But this is definitely one I'm watching. I don't know, are you watching this? Let me know. Let's move on to the third coin. Did I say at the start? 5 coins is what I'm going to be giving you in this video. And obviously I'll do the same again for December, Christmas time. So yeah, the third coin I would definitely say to everyone that they should be watching is Zilliqa, and purely for the fact that you can stake this coin. You know, I'm very interested in coins that can be staked because I believe in passive income, and the fact that it can generate an income for you on the side, to me that's a fantastic thing to be looking at, and a great project in my eyes. So yeah, I've been watching Zilliqa. I've been watching Zilliqa. I am hoping for at least a 1 pence. I mean, it is 1 pence now, but it's like a penny and a half. I'm hoping for a solid 1 pence price before I sort of dive in and grab some Zilliqa. I was very close to buying yesterday, but I didn't. I'm just gonna sit back and wait. I'm still gonna watch it. I think it's watch. Let's click that. There you go. I'm watching it. But yeah, it's definitely one I think we should all have on our radars, especially if you're someone that wants to have a passive income, something that generates you money as you sleep. So yeah, that's one to watch. My fourth, some of these might be very self-explanatory, the norm, shall I say, like Ethereum. People would be like, oh yeah, it's the norm, yeah, everyone's watching. Anyway, fourth one, Compound. Now again, I spoke about that DeFi crave, and I really believe that it's going to come back. The reason I'm so set on watching Compound is because, again, I believe it's on Coinbase now, and Coinbase are so funny, and when I say funny, I mean they're very held back with which coins they want to list on their platform. And when they usually list coins on their platform, I don't know why, but institutions seem to think, oh, okay, well, Coinbase has got it, so it's more of a promised project rather than a scam project. So this could be something to watch in the long term. And again, I'm looking here, 10 million total supply. It's half the supply of Bitcoin, and I've done a video on this before. We could see gains just like Bitcoin in relation to this, especially if institutions and loads of people start adopting Compound and doing what it's capable of doing. The DeFi craze is slowly picking up again now, because the alts might start to rise again, and everybody wants to lend at this time, especially through the hard times we're going through with this bloody virus. So yeah, this is one that I'm watching. I'm hoping for a £50. Let me just get up £50, because in dollars right now, £82 is $108. I'm hoping to try and grab this at £50 or less, so $66. That would be a good enough price for me to sort of jump in and say, okay, I'll grab 1 or 2, because at the end of the day, guys, having 1 or 2 is better than having none. And look at how Bitcoin went. And again, like I said, if this goes because this is half the total supply of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's 21 million and it done $20,000. So if something's got half the supply, it could easily do double the price. You could potentially see a 40k Compound. We just don't know. So that's why I'm watching this one. But yeah, and last but not least, my fifth and final coin, which I am watching in November, is XRP. The price has gone up a little bit over the last few weeks. I don't know what it was. It might be due to some news of them doing something. I'm not sure. I think it was Ripple's buying back more XRP coins. So that could be the spike in the price. And obviously if they're buying it back, there must be a reason why. There must be a demand of some sort for some reason, but that's something I'm gonna have to look into a bit more. But I've always been a fan of XRP from day one. I say it in most of the videos when I show the top 3 and stuff. You can check them here, not so oh no, these are altcoins, but most of my videos, I've got a whole flipping section on XRP. Big fan of it, and I really believe it will perform really well. It's been slow over the year, I'm not gonna lie, we all know this, but we also all know how high it went before, and I believe we can see these numbers again. Have a look there, £2.77. And just to show you, if you're new watching, you have no clue what XRP is and how high it went, £2.77, $3.67, guys. That's how high it was, and right now it's sitting at 19 pence, almost 20 pence. I guess in dollars, that's what, 24 cents? Let's just check. Yeah, 25-26 cents at the moment. So yeah, that's another one I'm watching. I'm hoping that comes down, because I believe that if Bitcoin falls down in price, because it's just shot up so high, and what goes up must come down, it has to have some sort of, well, usually when it goes so parabolic like that, where's the chart? Still loading. When it has such a parabolic move like this, usually it comes back down, and you can see it here. It's done it here, up and down, and it's done it here, up and down. So I'm expecting to see some sort of rebound backwards, and then that's the time I'm looking to buy, whether you want to call it a dip or whatever you want to call it. I believe these other coins are going to fall back down with it, and maybe if we're lucky, we can get a chance to buy them in a bit cheaper. But yeah, that was it for this video. I'm not going to ramble on too much. I usually like ramble on. I start talking about what chocolate I'm eating and stuff, and I'm not going to do that today. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it's helped someone. I hope it gives you a little insight as to maybe what sort of coins we should be looking at. And yeah, you just got to follow the money, really, because this is where the money is. And even though XRP hasn't performed well over the last however long, even the last year, it's still one of the top cryptos. So, and the fact that it's still sitting in position 4 over a year, it's been floating 4, 3, or even 2. It's been floating between this area for the longest time, shows that it's still a powerful project, and it's not something to take lightly. I'll definitely really take this one serious. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave you with that. Hope you enjoyed it. Please drop your comments, let me know what you think, and if you want me to do more videos like this, I'd be happy to do it. Every month I can just drop what we should be watching, keeping our eye on and stuff. And yeah, if there's any coins you want me to look at, want me to do a little dive in, let me know and I'll do that for you. Please do like and subscribe if you're new watching, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.